15 OAuth apps, 15 app reviews, 20-day queues. I skipped all of it and connected 15 social platforms with one validator token. And yeah, you heard that right. You're going to be able to use 15 social platforms in a matter of minutes, just using one API key in one single place, without the hustle of creating your own OAuth flows, multiple app reviews, integrating that, and then maintaining it. Really, you just need to keep it simple, stick with one infrastructure that helps you go through the easiest, fastest, and the most reliable path. And that's Zernio, and that's why I'm making this video. So you know already that a lot of people struggle with something that I call the manual way. You probably know the power of AI, the power of agents, and you really want to help that people that struggle with their day-to-day manual work, especially with social media, doing things like scheduling their content across multiple platforms, being able to make data-driven decisions, pulling the analytics on how their content is performing, or them jumping through platform and platform to manage all their inbox. And really what you want is to simplify their lives, having one single space where they can manage all of this, saving them hours every single week and all the headaches that the manual way is causing them. Now, the solution you're probably building right now or thinking of is either building an app, an automation, or an agent system, but you probably have faced two of the biggest struggles of managing a social media API. First of all is creating an app on every social platform, waiting multiple days and months to get them reviewed and approved. And then you need to integrate those OAuth flows into your application or system and pray that they're going to be reliable and secure and they're not going to fail. And after you're done with that, then we have the constant maintenance, making sure the tokens don't get expired, keeping up with the API changes from every single social platform, and making sure something is not leaking and your customers are not mad. Now, like I said at the beginning, there's one solution to this, and it's finding the right social media API infrastructure that is scalable and reliable, that helps you offer 15 social platform connections with all the necessities that you and your clients need for your product without the complexity that requires to do this. Amazing. And that's what Zernio does. So in this video, I will go over these three main pillars, that is connecting, posting, and analyzing, showcasing how I'm able to connect directly to 15 social platforms with one single API key, connecting all my social accounts, and then using all the functionality that Zernio offers us with practical examples for posting and pulling analytics. So let's get started. First of all is getting our API key. You need to head into zernio.com, have an account in place. If you want to check out more in detail the pricing for Zernio, I will leave it in the description. Just head into zernio.com/pricing and you will be able to see some of the pricing that Zernio offers you and all of the features that they include with your plan. Okay, so we're currently inside the connections section in the dashboard, and currently I have selected my own profile. And in here, you will be able to see that you can connect directly into all the 15 social platforms that I have mentioned already. Now, in this video, I will just be connecting to Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. Like you see here, I am already connected to all of these platforms. It is a simple OAuth flow that takes less than a minute to do. Now we're going to head down into API keys and we're going to create our new API key. This is going to be the name, create key. And you might be asking, Enrique, what are you going to do with that API key? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my own AI agent social media manager using Claude Code. And what I'm going to do with Claude Code is I'm just going to give Claude one of my videos, right, inside my computer that I want to get posted into YouTube with the Zernio API endpoints. And then I'm going to tell my agent to basically extract the transcript from this video and repurpose this content that I'm just rambling about in this video to individual posts on these different platforms. And my agent is going to basically create the proper visual, the proper content with my voice and tone. And he's going to be able to do all of that for all of these platforms here: LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and X. And after he's done posting all of these pieces of content, what I'm going to ask him to do is to create a report, an analytics report, pulling the last 30 days platform performances for each of my accounts. And lastly, what I'm going to tell him to do also is to extract all the messages and comments that I have not replied to people in my post. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Now we're going to take a look at the Zernio documentation. You can quickly get access to it just heading into the docs section, API reference, and you will be able to see all the API references and features that Zernio is able to offer you through the API. We also have the Zernio CLI and the Zernio MCP. And we all know that we are heading into the next era of AI agents. And all of these integrations like the MCP, CLI, and having the right social media infrastructure are super helpful so your agents can do this too. Manage your social media accounts. The main AI agent platform that I'm going to use for this video is going to be Claude. I'm going to be using Claude Code inside the desktop app, but you can do this too with Cowork. Okay, and for this video, I'm going to create a new folder project inside Claude Code. I'm going to call Zernio Social Media Manager. All right, and here's the prompt that I have for Claude to start with this new folder project. I'm just going to say, hey Claude, can you set up yourself up in this folder, set up a .claude folder, claude.md file, skills, and the environmental file. I want you to connect yourself directly to the MCP from Zernio, and here's the MCP reference. Please, I will appreciate that. Here's my API key, and I reference my API key. I don't recommend you doing this for your own use case, but I'm just going to do it for this video, okay? I'm going to delete this API key at the end. Then I'm just going to say thanks. I'm going to use bypass permissions, and I'm going to send it. And now while Claude is working, I'm going to work on my next prompt that is going to be, hey Claude, so your role in this project is to be my social media manager, okay? So you're going to be connecting directly into my profile inside Zernio. The name is Enrique, and I have Instagram, TikTok, X, YouTube, and LinkedIn connected. So you can manage all of my posting, pulling the analytics, and also inbox management. And for this video, what we're going to do is we're going to upload a YouTube video, and we're going to use the content of that YouTube video to repurpose that into an actual post on LinkedIn, X, TikTok, and Instagram and Facebook with the right visuals and with the right tone and voice aligned with how I speak. And then from there, you're going to pull the analytics from the last 30 days in my channel. And also you're going to take a look at the current DMs that we are getting on these main social platforms. So that's it. That's your work. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Let's go. All right, so Claude is done with whatever he needed to do, and he set up the .claude folder with the settings.json and some of the 4 skills that Zernio already has grounded in, like Zernio posting, Zernio queue, Zernio analytics, and Zernio inbox. And as you can see here, I have my environmental file with my proper API key being placed here, and also my MCP URL. So literally, I'm all set. I have the proper social media API layer connected. Now it's just a matter of testing, and I'm gonna send this prompt here. All right, so while that's been going, I'm gonna basically prepare my third prompt, that is grabbing my video from my computer that I want to upload to YouTube and I want to repurpose content from, and I'm gonna send it to Claude. I'm gonna reference it here with the path. And I'm just going to say, hey, Claude, so this is the actual video that I want to upload to YouTube. I want you to create a thumbnail from scratch, the proper packaging on the title, you can say the description, tags, and everything. And the content inside this video is going to be the one being used for creating the LinkedIn post, X, TikTok, and Instagram, the proper visuals, taking screenshots out of the video and just adding some headlines and titles on it. And if you need to turn these videos into short form clips to create a proper post on Instagram, you can do that too. Whatever you want to do, I just want to see the actual posting in action on all the platforms we have connected. Thank you. Okay, so while he's working, I'm just going to send this prompt. He's probably working on some of the other pieces that he needed to have done, like pulling the analytics from the last 30 days or taking a look at the inbox. But I'm just going to send this prompt and let's see now what he's able to do. All right, so I'm going to try to be fast on sharing all of the progress that Claude has done. He currently, he posted a YouTube video already on my channel that I need to delete. But he pulled the analytics, he pulled all the inbox comments that I have gotten, and he catch, fix, and flight. Okay, this is like my website. But if we can see here, he is doing exactly what I told him to do. He created a proper thumbnail for my video. This is the thumbnail. He's creating some of the other image visuals that he's going to add to the other posts, for example, LinkedIn, X, or Instagram Reels. And yeah, we can see here that he also pull all the analytics from my profile, specifically my follower stats, some of the comments that I have gotten, mentions, and he's basically creating a summarize analytics script so he can summarize the 30-day analytics into an actual report for me. And he's doing all of that alongside using the API endpoints and triggering everything within Zernio. And in Zernio, I have all my social platforms connected. So let's take a look at YouTube real quick. Yes, we can see that this video is getting, you can say, posted right now. I let AI edit all my videos for 5 months, full system inside. Here's the description, the chapters, the handles, you can say, the hashtags, alongside the proper tags and everything. This is real time. And he probably uploaded also the proper thumbnail, but it's not showing up right now. I'll be sharing the end result at the end. And this is how the post actually looks inside Zernio. As you can see here is in publishing progress. Inside Zernio, you can upload images, all the media that you need alongside videos. You have a dedicated storage based on your plan. So depending what plan you have, you can upload certain amounts of video sizes. Oops, as you can see here, he's uploading to LinkedIn and Twitter right now and Instagram. And here's the progress update. He's now pulling the final roster and verifying every post landed. LinkedIn post with a proper visual image. And here's the actual content in it. Let's take a look at LinkedIn. Yes, for the last 5 months, an AI agent has edited every single video I posted. Long form, shorts, captions, B-roll, motion graphics, reframing, distribution, all of it. I don't touch a timeline anymore, and I say that as someone who loves editing. Every edit runs through a framework I call Start. And here's the framework. And I broke the whole system down on a camera step by step. And he even added the link straight into the actual video. And the video is showing now with the thumbnail, but it's still on the side of progressing the full upload. Oh, the video is done.
It's been a while now since I let AI take over my full.
Now let's take a look at the X post. So we have the content here, full breakdown video, and the actual visual pulled from my video. Here you go. And lastly, let's take a look at the Instagram post. So here we have the content in it.
It's been a while now since I let AI take over my full beginning line. To my handling,
he basically reframed this video into a 9:16 format.
It's been a while now.
Added the proper, you can say, captions, and my face is centered. And this was posted on Instagram.
It's been a while now
as
since
you can
I
see
let
here.
AI take over.
And here's the video.
Now it's been
on
5
TikTok.
months, and that was my actual.
Amazing. So we are done with that. Now let's take a look at the report. I'm gonna tell Claude to place the report on a artifact. Hey Claude, can you place the report on a artifact, please? Thank you. Same with the inbox messages and comments. I need to check. Hermoso. Look at this. Here we have the report. As you can see here, the links sending us directly to the actual posts. And if we take a look here, we can see the actual analytics, the analytic report. Taking a look at how many views I have gotten on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, the last, you can say 30 days specifically, with a couple of insights on the side of like long form YouTube is the whole engine. LinkedIn grew 438 with 0 posts in the window. TikTok converts attention at a small base, and Facebook gets views, 0 engagement. X is dormant. LOL. And yeah, here's some of the replies waiting on me to some users in my community. Amazing. And that was all for this video. If you want to learn more about how can you get started with Zernio right now, just check out the first link in the description. And nothing else to say. Thank you so much for staying at this point of the video. If you enjoy this type of videos, or if this video was helpful, just please leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. I take a look at all of them. And that was all. Thank you guys for watching, and Enrique here wishing you a beautiful day. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.